The company website was on Shopify. $80 a month for a site that hadn't been updated in 2 years. No blog, no service pages, no SEO, just a homepage with a phone number. So I moved it. I rebuilt the entire site on Cloudflare Pages. Zero hosting cost, custom HTML, no templates, no drag and drop builders. Every page written to rank for the searches that actually matter. Boiler repair near me. Heat pump installation Huntingdon Valley. Hot water heater replacement Philadelphia. 10 service pages, 10 location pages, each one targeting a real zip code where we already have customers. Not generic content, real pricing context, real service descriptions, the kind of detail that only comes from running the business. The old Shopify site was a brochure. The new site is a tool. It answers the questions customers are actually asking before they pick up the phone. Then I pointed the DNS, set up SSL, and the whole thing was live in an afternoon. Same domain, completely different site, $80 a month back in the owner's pocket, and a website that actually works for the business instead of just existing. Day 7. The website isn't decoration anymore.